1. You say 1?
Bye.
No. Start with 1. 2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
What's after 9? 10. You say 10? 10 is clapping.
You said 10 earlier.
You say hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark.
John.
Hi, Mark. I can still see Mark.
What are you thinking about?
Are you handsome? Are you thinking about how handsome you are?
You say 1, 2. You forgot 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, you forgot 8.
He's almost there. Man.
You're a smart 2-year-old. You know that?